2012 Kia Forte. We got a P0401 code. No, P0441 code for purge flow problem. Basically, let's back up real quick. Default code. Trying to do this. There we go. 441. Incorrect purge flow. Here's the actuation test. And go down to test the purge valve. Okay, basically this cycles this test on. Got my U-scope set up and ready. You can already see with the key on what pattern I have, but it's not being controlled at this point. So let's look here. We'll start the test. You can hear it. You can actually see the pintle closing as you look on the bottom side of that. But doing a 54 volt max, it is coming down to 0 because I've got my cursor down there and verified that. You can hear that working, so it may be that it's not shutting off all the way, but the computer's got control and we're working like we're supposed to. Okay, hooking on to the manifold side of the purge control solenoid. Hooking just a vacuum pump on it. I can't pump any vacuum up, so that's another indication we got a bad valve. On this one, it's easy enough to just hook up the new part to it, and with it off the car, this should not have any flow. And I can pump up good vacuum on the stuff. It just also tests my equipment just to verify that everything's working. So just getting a new valve. Okay, I was able to get the new valve in. Easiest thing to do is to remove this, take this one Phillips head clamp loose over here. Of course, remove lighting here. Of course, remove your clamp back, pull that off. You'd be really smart to grab yourself some hose clamp or some pliers, some hose pliers, because that makes this a whole lot better. The one in the back is not easy to see. That hose there, that clamp's got to come off. Not real hard. I will give you a tip for me. Push this back. You take a screwdriver and push from here. Push this bracket back. Give yourself a little bit of room over here with this hose assembly, and that will slide up without having to take a ton of stuff off. It is not really loose fit at all, but once you're back together, make some room here for this notch, and push this back into the correct orientation, plug it up, and you should be back in business. Alright, so go ahead and reassemble, and we should be done, because the customer didn't want to do any more troubleshooting, but we were able to prove that his old one did fail. As soon as we would hold our thumb over it and put suction to it, it would hold vacuum, you release it, and it had flow through the valve. So hopefully that helps somebody.